Hey. Dum, 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 dum. It's a good day, man. Today's a great day. Every night, sucking on that dick all night. Put it in my ass, make me asshole bleed all night. Bro. Alright. Let's focus. Every night and day, I make me wanna jam inside your love. Every night and day, I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. Any other way. Okay, before we set this shit up, so we can wait on it. Let's talk about this. So gold, ready? If we just look at it, right, fucking downtrend, okay? We get a rally up during Asian session and London session, okay? Now my guess is New York is the fall through. Okay, so we have some areas from London session that we could potentially take out and then also just see a reaction off of. First one being this fair value gap, this imbalance within here, okay? We also have liquidity residing above these highs. I don't know if it'll really want to come all the way up here, okay? Because we've already been up here during New York session. If anything, right, we entered New York session, swept this, and fell. So now my goal is to find an entry within this imbalance, and that's pretty much what I was just setting up, looking for any sort of reason to enter. So like just now, we had a 1 minute break of structure in this fair value gap. Wait for a reaction off of it, and you could try for a really high risk reward by putting your stop just right above here. It's risky, okay? But by doing that, you can target literally this as your first take profit for damn near a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Okay, and then you can also go ahead and target and literally see this, boom. This is like the breaker for that liquidity sweep and then rally. Okay, here, down here as well. That's what I would look for. And it does look like it's setting up. No, you wanna go. If I'm being honest though, I would rather give myself more room. Something like that. I would much rather do than that super limited stop. So this is honestly what I will probably end up entering right the fuck now. So, no, you wanna go. Let me take you. Yeah, so I just entered short on this gold trade. Diamonds they fade. Down, down in my chest. What are you thinking anymore? go. Just turn up the lights. I'll get to the other ones in a second. Just turn off the lights. Okay, so that's gold. I'm not looking at GJ. Damn, this was that GU trade that I was literally going to talk about, but it's okay. I'm fine with the gold one that we're in. Anyways, this was the GU trade that I pretty much charted. Essentially, very similarly to gold, if we scale out high time frame, GU is bearish. And it's even better for us because we rallied throughout pretty much New York session and Asian session and London session from previous day, took out this liquidity, okay, and now we're seeing reactions off of it, right? We broke structure on the 15-minute. We're respecting this fair value gap. We're rallying. We're coming down, probably seeking out these London lows, right? And if anything, it's probably going to come down here, seeking this liquidity until it proves us otherwise. Okay, so this was something that I was looking at to take off of this 5-minute close, but we weren't there and ready for it. So that's what I see on GU. I do see it falling more, coming into here, all that stuff. Now let's go ahead and check the S&P. Okay, wow, S&P looks bullish. The main draw on liquidity for me is up here. We also have liquidity right here, but as you can see, right, we tapped into this order block already. It looks like we're rallying a bit. Market opens in 8 minutes. Yeah, I think gold is okay. Okay, chill. But anyways, we have boom, this low right here, okay, this high right here as kind of my main areas of liquidity. We also have just this. This wants to load. I need to go to Best Buy today, get some gear. Anyways, that's my outlook on the S&P. We have, again, remember I said we wanted to fill this imbalance at least a little bit, and that is what we are currently doing. So, I mean, right now, really, my only goal is just to play off those high time frame draws of liquidity. And whatever bias I'm in. The only problem with the S&P is I'm not in much of a bias right now. I would say slightly bearish bias, because we took out this monthly high and then did get a quick little break down. Let's try and find equilibrium. Okay, so we're pretty much at equilibrium right now. We did fill this daily order block to an extent, so now what we would be looking for is a reason for it to change direction. So for me, that would be a sweep of this high again, and then a rally, or just some reason to go short. If we don't see a short position, I won't look for anything on the S&P. And there goes GU, okay, rallying, further down, okay, looking at this London low, I think I'm just going to stick with gold and the S&P. We'll alter between those two, but that is currently what we're looking at. I honestly would want this thing to bull like a little bit more or just close a little bit higher just so we can get like this bullish candle on the hourly. The ideal setup, I guess, would have been something off of this like fair value gap within here, right? Whatever that would have been off of these highs getting pushed above, and then the break of structure on the 5 minute, you would have been stuck in just a bitch of consolidation. But we got the S&P opening in like 3 minutes, so we'll see where this goes. Also, give me 1 second. I'm going to check on Boogie. Hey, man, I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys for being patient with me with like the whole move, because this was really hard to do for me, especially just being so young. I know moving is pretty, might seem easy to some of you guys, but when you're 21 years old with not much life, that I've lived, and not much experience doing these types of things, it gets hard. So I appreciate you guys for being patient with me, and understanding that I did have to take some time to move in, but now we're here and it's still a work in progress, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for being understanding and being the people that you are, man. I really do have the best community out here, and I'm sure every single creator would love to say that, but we all know who has the best one, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Mr. DJ. GU targets were met, even though we didn't take a trade on it, but speculation targets were met. That's something you guys should do as well. Even if you're like, yeah, I'm not going to trade it, make your prediction on it. There's no harm in saying I think it's going to go here and this is why, right? It's just more reps, and you can bounce back and forth between them. There's no reason for you not to. Gold's pushing up higher. That's honestly what we said we wanted to happen, right? So we can fill more of this. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? We did get a 15-minute break of structure, but we're on an hourly break of structure right here, so I'm not really too phased by that. And we're yet to break 4-hour structure to the upside, so I'm still bearish on gold. The only thing would it to go and seek out these highs and then go lower, but again, right, I don't think it'll go up all the way up here, because we had already taken this out. literally right at the start of New York Open. Stop loss could still potentially get hit just because it's at the top of this imbalance, but I like where I put it on it, so I'm not really concerned. The S&P is about to break structure to the downside, or it already did. And again, I'm not looking to take this whatsoever because ideally we have a higher time frame set up if it does present itself. That's what I'll be focusing on. Well, I'm going to get back into the swing of things with this next week. I'll have this entire weekend to kind of like reset, which will be good. I got some friends coming over on the 30th, but they're going to want to sleep in anyways, so I'll be able to do my trading stuff. Oh, and the boot camp starts today. I already have 3 videos in the vault for it. I have been making them since I've arrived. I know, right? That's been like most people's biggest concern, saying, where's the course? It's dropping today, okay? I just had to make the videos. So I had like some in backup and storage, but gold just respected London lows, or is currently respecting them. Let's go to the 30-minute. This was London session's low, right? Tapped into it, getting a decent pushback off of it. We'll see if it wants to continue down here or just, you know, go up, take out these highs, or potentially go higher into this imbalance to fill it. Eyes right now are on the S&P though, because I do think we can get a decent short that, if done on a good time frame, could get us in and out today. I'm not gonna lie, this shit's taking forever, but I don't got anywhere else to be, so I'm gonna pause the recording though for YouTube. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot that I stopped this recording, but we hit take profit 1, and I just showed my fucking P&L. Anyways, I'll show it again. I made $12,483 on take profit 1 getting hit. All of our stops are at break even now, and we're just going to see where this wants to go from here. But honestly, yeah, this trade looks great. I mean, it did literally exactly what I wanted it to, which was fill most of this imbalance, and that's pretty much what I requested of it, and it did as I said. So thank you gold. Not much else going on though. Take profit 2 is going to be right here. Right here. Yeah, and sorry, I didn't even keep this in the video, but the reason why this was take profit 1 was because this is the high time frame move down to breaker, right? And then the reason why this is take profit 2, because on the low time frame, this is the breaker, okay? And then obviously down here, this is just liquidity. And then down here is high time frame liquidity as well. Sorry, my gardeners are ear raping. Bro, that thing is so fucking annoying. Holy shit. Okay, take profit 2 got hit. Closed another 50%. Shit is dumping, man. It's fire. All right, so with that being hit, hey, I made all my money back. I told y'all I would do it, man. 27K or 27,245 bucks. Let's fucking go. I told you I would make my money back, man. And we got bread running. I still have 15K. I'm still 15K in profit. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Next take profit is all the way down here, and then lastly we have this one. Made all that money back, man. I'm not outbred no more. W in the chat. Drop a dub, drop a dub. Oh, GU. Dude, I'm telling you guys, like, I don't know what it is about Puerto Rico, man, but I'm locked in on my shit, bro. Like, it is so free from distraction.